We scored this really nice pallet. Literally the whole thing's made of 2x4s, except for the bottom. I'm gonna cut those off. I had to move 2 of these planks down, and I added 2 more 2x4s that I'm about to screw in. Anyway, we're gonna make a picnic table out of it. So here goes nothing. Also, this pallet is heat treated, so that's also another plus. Make sure there's no crazy chemicals, even though we're gonna paint it, so I don't know if that even matters. I cut all these angles at 60 degrees with a speed square, the circular saw. These cross beams right here are 70 inches and they're just regular 2x4s. I measured them from the end to the opposite side, make sure they're even, and then I kind of eyeballed it here and screwed in the middle track. Now I'm going to have some carriage bolts. I'm going to put in to both these bad boys on here, and then I'm going to make sure I secure it nice and neatly to the actual table. Some more screws. The one way was a bust. Instead, I'm going to be able to attach a lot more screws into this, some lag bolts, by bolting them through here and then taking this and mounting it here. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier, but you know what? You live and you learn. Well, finally trucking along. I got carriage bolts in here and here. As you can see, they're going out the outside. I'm going to bolt them on, and then I'm going to do the other legs, and then we should be mounting the legs to the table. All right, I got one side on. Looks pretty good. Things match up nice. We'll see how it stands, and then I'm going to support it on something else. Leave those pallets over there. Swing it on the other side. That's very good. This with my stuff I have on hand, but right now I can't think of it. So that's holding up okay. I'm gonna put this piece here, get a couple screws in it, put it down, and then finish it off. All right, we're almost done. We're getting there. Everything looks fairly good. It's pretty damn stable. I have to obviously screw these bad boys down for the seats, and I'm going to put little braces in between, and then we're gonna sand this puppy down and then stain it or paint it. Probably paint it, but everything looks pretty good so far. And as far as materials goes, about 40 bucks, give or take, because the main part right here, the main table was given to me by old Condi down the street. He's a good old dude. Right, getting close. We cut off the ends. I was gonna make seats all the way around, but there wasn't enough room, so I should have bought longer boards. Oh well, maybe next project. I don't think this table's gonna go anywhere anytime soon though. Yeah, I put middle supports in just for extra safety in case there's 4 adults want to sit on one side. And now we're just sanding it down. All right, it's all stained. We are done. Less than $40. Could be even cheaper if you want to be able to find other wood from pallets.